Hey, Health Spiffy squad. Leo M here, and today we're diving into a transformative journey that might just redefine the way you think about protein. It's the Transform Your Body with the 30-Day Protein Powder Challenge. Are you ready for a game changer? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a 30-day adventure that could reshape your fitness landscape. The power of protein powder? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Protein powder, isn't that just for bodybuilders? Well, think again. In the next 30 days, we're going to uncover the versatility, benefits, and the sheer impact that the right protein powder can have on your body, no matter your fitness level. Introduction to the 30-Day Challenge. So, why a 30-day challenge? Great question. This challenge isn't a crash diet or a temporary fix. It's a holistic approach to integrating protein powder into your routine and witnessing the gradual, positive changes it can bring. We're not just talking about muscle gains. We're talking about overall well-being. Choosing the right protein powder? Before we jump into the challenge, let's address the elephant in the room, choosing the right protein powder. The market is flooded with options, from whey to plant-based. We'll break down the differences, explore the pros and cons, and help you make an informed choice that aligns with your goals. Now, let's address a critical aspect of our 30-day protein powder challenge, choosing the right type of protein powder for maximum muscle gain. With so many options on the market, it's crucial to understand the differences and select the one that aligns with your fitness goals. Whey protein, the gold standard. First in the lineup is whey protein, often considered the gold standard in the fitness world. Derived from milk, whey is a complete protein, meaning it contains all essential amino acids. This makes it an ideal choice for muscle building and recovery. It's rapidly absorbed by the body, making it an excellent post-workout option to kickstart muscle repair. Casein protein, slow and steady. Next up, we have casein protein, another milk-derived protein but with a different tempo. Unlike whey, casein is absorbed slowly, providing a steady release of amino acids. This makes it an excellent choice for sustained muscle protein synthesis, making it beneficial not just post-workout but throughout the day or before bedtime. Plant-based proteins beyond the basics. For those following a plant-based diet, fear not. Plant-based protein powders, such as pea, hemp, or brown rice protein, are gaining popularity. These options are rich in essential amino acids and offer a sustainable, cruelty-free alternative. While they may have a slightly different amino acid profile than animal-based proteins, they can still contribute significantly to muscle gain when incorporated strategically. Blends maximizing benefits. Now, if you want the best of both worlds, protein blends might be your go-to. Combining different protein sources, such as whey and casein or pea and rice, these blends offer a diverse amino acid profile. This can enhance muscle protein synthesis and provide a prolonged release of amino acids, catering to various fitness goals. The best protein powder for maximum muscle gain? So, which is the absolute best protein powder for maximizing muscle gain? The truth is, it depends on your individual preferences, dietary restrictions, and the timing of your protein intake. For rapid absorption and an immediate post-workout boost, whey protein shines. For those seeking a sustained release and flexibility in consumption, casein or blends might be the answer. Strategic timing for optimal results. Now, let's talk timing. Because when you consume your protein matters. Post-workout, the anabolic window, whey protein takes center stage due to its rapid absorption. However, incorporating casein or blends at other times can contribute to a sustained amino acid release, supporting muscle protein synthesis throughout the day. Benefits beyond muscles? Now, you might associate protein powder with bulging muscles, but the benefits go far beyond that. We're talking about improved metabolism, enhanced recovery, and even support for weight management. The 30-day challenge isn't just about transforming your physique. It's about elevating your overall health. Setting realistic goals? As we embark on this challenge, it's crucial to set realistic goals. We're not promising overnight miracles, but we are promising gradual, sustainable change. Whether you're aiming for increased energy, better recovery after workouts, or simply exploring a new aspect of your wellness journey, this challenge is tailored for you. Creating a personalized plan. One size doesn't fit all, and the same goes for our 30-day challenge. We'll guide you through creating a personalized plan that aligns with your lifestyle. From incorporating protein powder into your favorite recipes to finding the ideal time for consumption, we've got you covered. Nutritional insights. Before we dive into the daily challenges, let's equip ourselves with some nutritional insights. Understanding the role of protein in your diet is key to maximizing the benefits. We'll keep it simple, practical, and most importantly, applicable to your daily life. Countdown calendar. Now, picture this. A calendar counting down from day 1 to day 30. Each day, we'll have a new challenge, a new aspect of the protein powder journey to explore. It's like unwrapping a gift every day. The gift of discovery, transformation, and perhaps a few surprises along the way. Day 1 Morning Boost. Let's kick things off with a morning boost. Your challenge for day 1 is to create a protein-packed breakfast. Whether it's a smoothie, oats, or even protein pancakes, let's start the day on a nutritious note. And hey, feel free to get creative, we're on a flavor adventure. Day 5 Midday Refuel. Leo M. Smiling. Fast forward to day 5, the midday refuel. We'll explore the art of the protein-packed snack. It's not just about curbing hunger. It's about nourishing your body between meals. We'll share some delicious, easy-to-make snack ideas that'll make you forget about those vending machine temptations. Day 15 Recipe Remix. By day 15, we're diving into a recipe remix. Take a favorite dish and give it a protein-packed twist. It's like a culinary experiment, adding a dash of protein goodness to elevate your go-to meals. Get ready to be your own master chef. Day 20 Workout Fuel. As we hit the 20-day mark, let's talk workout fuel. Your challenge is to explore how protein powder can enhance your pre- and post-workout routine. We'll provide insights into timing, types of protein, and the science behind optimizing your fitness performance. Day 25 Evening Indulgence. Day 25 is all about the evening indulgence. Yes, you heard it right, protein-packed desserts. We're shattering the myth that healthy equals bland. Brace yourself for guilt-free, protein-rich treats that will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your progress. Day 30 Reflection and Celebration. And finally, we reach day 30, a day of reflection and celebration. We'll look back at the journey, celebrate your achievements, and discuss the sustainable ways to continue incorporating protein powder into your routine beyond the challenge. So, are you up for the challenge? If you're ready to transform your body and redefine your relationship with protein, hit that subscribe button, join the Health Spiffy community, and let's embark on this 30-day journey together. Get ready to unlock the power of protein, one day at a time. This is Leo M, signing off. Until the challenge begins. Glowing star biceps.